Today, we have some updates on the highly anticipated One UI 7.0 beta from Samsung, and it seems like there's still no set release date for it. But don't worry, we've got all the details on why that is and what you can expect when the update finally drops. So let's dive right in. So here's what's happening. Yesterday, we heard that Samsung could be releasing the One UI 7.0 beta update soon for eligible phones and tablets. This update, of course, is based on Android 15, and rumors were swirling that the beta was just around the corner. But today, we got word directly from Samsung, and it's not exactly what we wanted to hear. On Samsung's community forum in Korea, a user pointed out that last year, Samsung rolled out the Android 14 base One UI 6.0 beta right before the Samsung Developer Conference 2023, with the Samsung Developer Conference 2024 SDC 24 just a few days away, set to start on October 3. It seemed logical that we'd have seen the One UI 7.0 beta by now. However, there's been no official sign of it yet. In response to the user's query, a beta moderator from Samsung's team said that the company hasn't decided on an official release date for One UI 7.0 beta. Yep, that's right, still no date. But they did mention that as soon as the decision is made, Samsung will inform users through the Samsung Members app. So you'll want to keep an eye out for any announcements there. Now, here's the big question. Will we get the beta before the Samsung Developer Conference? Last year, Samsung released the One UI 6.0 beta just before the event, and many of us were hoping they'd do the same this year. There's still a chance they could announce and roll out the beta before October 3, 2024, but that's just speculation for now. Even though Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, leaks suggest that One UI 7.0 will be worth the wait, and we're hoping the beta feels polished right from the start. Fingers crossed Samsung doesn't disappoint us. Okay, enough about the delay. Let's get into what we're all really excited about, the new features coming to One UI 7.0. Based on leaks and reports, we can expect some pretty exciting changes and improvements. One, smoother animations and transitions. Samsung is working hard to make the overall user experience smoother and more enjoyable. You can expect improved animations and transitions, which should make navigating your phone feel more fluid than ever. This will likely give One UI 7.0 a more polished and refined feel from the moment you start using it. 2, revamped quick panel layout. One of the most notable changes is the new quick panel layout. Instead of a single screen, One UI 7.0 is introducing a 2-page layout. One page will be dedicated to notifications, while the other will handle the typical quick settings you're used to. This new design should make accessing and organizing your notifications a lot easier. 3, redesigned camera app. Another exciting update is the redesign of Samsung's camera app. The app will be optimized for one-handed use with a cleaner, more intuitive design. This will make taking photos and recording videos even more convenient, especially if you're on the go and need to snap a quick picture. 4, new charging animation and SMS over 5G support. There's also a brand new charging animation to look forward to, which adds a bit of flair every time you plug in your device. And for those who want the best in connectivity, One UI 7.0 is bringing support for SMS over 5G, allowing for faster and more reliable messaging. 5, home screen improvements. Samsung is also making some improvements to the home screen in One UI 7.0. Look cleaner and more modern. So that's what we know so far about One UI 7.0 beta. While we're still waiting on an official release date, it's clear that this update is going to be packed with exciting new features and improvements. Whether it's the smoother animations, the revamped quick panel, or the redesigned camera app, there's a lot to look forward to. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you for the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, Bigger displays and larger battery might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.